so I can put my sunglasses here. I think just hide it. Yeah, it's charging, fast charging indeed. Since it's got this MagSafe thing, I can just, so you can, while you're driving, you can just touch here to, turn the lights on and off, and you can easily remove it. And let's see if it charges well. Yeah, you can see the little dot, this one, it indicates that it's charging. Okay, I've recently been sent another product from Jowua, which is this under screen invisible MagSafe organizer, and it also comes with a USB power hub. And what this is, yeah, so basically it's an under screen storage that can be fitted just under your Tesla's touchscreen. But since I've installed this swivel mount on my touchscreen and it sits a bit lower, so it doesn't really fit, because we have changed a lot of the parts in underneath. And you can also check out the video maybe over here on top over here on how we installed the swivel mount. But just taking a look at this product that was sent by Jowua, let's just quickly see what's inside. Yeah, so the main product is this one. It's a MagSafe, so there's a MagSafe ring as well under screen storage. So you can remove this handle using this button here. Yeah, and then it will just go underneath this one. But since it's not compatible with my car because of the swivel mount that we have installed, I'll be visiting one of my friends who has a Tesla Model Y and hasn't installed this thing on his car. So we can easily install the under screen storage, this one on his car. Yeah, we should easily be able to install this thing on his car. So yeah, we'll head out there. And we also get a cable management guide. There's some instructions provided here, we'll see that later. And another thing that comes with this package is, yeah, we've got this one, the portable LED light. So we'll also take a look at this later. And we've also got this one, this basically just a power hub which can be attached to that under screen organizer. And from the back of the touchscreen, you can mount it there, and then also use the USB cables to be able to charge your phones, etc. So yeah, we'll also take a look at this thing later. So yeah, now I'm heading to a place called Borin Reserve. I'll meet my friend there, and then we'll do the installation. And so see you in a while. Right, so we have this one here, which means we can easily install this one here. Okay, so first what we need to do is just use this little switch to open the handle. Yep, something like this. Yep, so let's see. Okay, we have this thing installed. Yeah, so I can put my sunglasses here. I think just hide it. So the next product is this one, the USB-C to C cable. Yeah, but before that, I think we'll take a look at this USB power hub, which we'll have to install on that organizer. So I'll just open it. Yeah, Okay, so it comes with this small power hub which has uh, two USB-C outputs, this one and this one, and one USB-A output. Yep, and we've also got one USB-C input. So this one, yeah, so this one is the USB-C input. There's also a small magnet in here, which can you can just do like this. Make sure that the USB output parts are at the front and this one is at the base, and just slide this in here. Yeah, and the magnet gets attached there. Yeah, finally we have this USB cable thing. Yeah, USB-C cable. We've also got a couple of velcro. So it's mentioned how to hide this one. Step 1, plug in the connector to the rear USB-C port, and then step 2, tuck in through the side trim, and yeah, make use of the probably rear AC vent. Yeah, this little USB port. Yeah, right. So plug the USB-C cable at the back, and all I need to do is some cable management by tucking the cable underneath this leather. Okay, I'll try to tuck this in. I wish I had a try to make things easier, but yeah, nevertheless, I'm getting things done. Yeah. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll just slide this cable from this little hole and make the way towards this part where the USB-C input is. This little port, just plug it in here. Yep, so we have done our cable management thingy. Yep, hopefully it should sit snug. Yeah, now we can test using any USB cable by trying to charge it. So yeah, I'll just use this little cable which was provided. Just put it on the 30-watt one, see if it charges my phone. Yeah, it's charging, fast charging indeed. So yeah, that's nice. Yeah, so the final product I do have from this package is the portable LED light. Just open it. Yeah, you can see here main LED, touch control, charging indicator, rear LED, etc. Yeah, so yeah, this is the main product. It's nothing but just an LED light which you can activate by just pressing here. It's very useful, especially at night. And another useful product is, useful feature of this little LED brick is that it has got little MagSafe wireless charger. It hasn't got any USB-C port, so the first time you will have to charge it wirelessly. And since I had already charged it before at home, so yeah, you can see that it's working. But yeah, I'll see how we can charge this and how we can use with this under screen storage itself. So since it's got this MagSafe thing, I can just, yeah, I can attach it here, and it's very useful. So especially if you are, if you put it such as this thing faces towards you, and you have attached on the MagSafe thingy. So you can, while you're driving, you can just touch here to, turn the lights on and off. Yep, just as so. Yeah, and you can easily remove it. And if you are at the during night time or at the dark, if you need something like a torchlight, then I think this can be very useful. And let's see if it charges well. Yeah, yeah, you can see the little light, the little dot. This one, it indicates that it's charging. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like and share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.